Yo, what it do, right? I've been having so much fun that I decided to do the dub. You feel me? Number 20. I mean, 20th installment, 16 for 31 series, because it's serious. You know what I mean? So, without further ado, here we go. Yeah. Uh. Right? Global. Uh. Fire. Yeah. Shut. Talent that makes people nervous, but they still want to purchase. Bars is full of service, and they always worth it. And I'm always working. And you can predict my motherfucking future without a motherfucking turban. Expressing my endurance. Niggas claiming they on the front line, but they just use you for insurance. While I'm never moving on niggas' waves, I'm just moving with my own current. Always until they close the curtain. My whole life is like Scarface, but the Manolo version, but still make me strong as bourbon. I can have any bitch, but I watch porn. I got a bitch, and I curved him. Shit, happy wife, happy life. Plus I'm trying to meet this ex in person. To shutting down the whole mall while washing clothes, this detergent. That's why you never catch me lurking. Stand tall with mine while most get the murking. Hustle like a merchant to buy a Birkin. And my kids always need something new. Every time baby mama put the work in. Facts. Yeah. In these days and times, my mind, I rhyme, I shine.